Whoa, so much beans. Gotta get to work. We have help. Our dump truck is here. It's full, take it away. Doing construction work is so much fun. Come on, there's more to do. Whoa, did you see that? We've got Halloween surprises we must find. They're buried. Can you spot any? I think I see so many. Come on, let's go find them. They're mixed up now. Ooh, I see one over here. Can you see it? It's hiding. Looks like a green ring. Yeah, over here. Oh, look at that. Frankenstein in a ring form. Nice job. Let's see, can we spot any more surprises here? Nothing here. Let's take it away. Whoa, I see a surprise over here. What is it? Another green ring? Yeah, Frankenstein. We have 2 of them so far. Look over here too. Another ring. This is a mummy. Not your mommy, a mummy. Here are some more surprises. 2 more rings. They're black this time. Look at this. A skeleton. 2 skeletons. So cool. Wait a minute. I spot something over here. Do you see that? Here's another ring. It's another mummy. Over here too, over here. Ooh, I kicked it away. Yeah, Frankenstein. So many of them. Hey, over here. 2 more rings. A skeleton and another Frankenstein. Cool. Let's add them to our collection. Any more? Yeah, over here. Here's another ring. I bet I can guess what it is. Yes, a skeleton. And last but not least, there's another ring over here. It's hiding. Where? Yeah, it's a mummy. So awesome. Look how many we found. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Wow. We brought our dump truck to collect them in. I'm coming too. Come on, George. Yeah. Let's load them up. They are so scary. Wait for me, I'm coming. It's my treasure after all. Come on, let's finish our work. There's a lot to clean up here. Whoopee! So awesome. These toys were sent to us by Battat. Thanks so much for sending them once again. Here's our second episode. And hi everybody. I'm Miriam with lots of toys. Be sure to check out our previous video with these toys. This is driven by Battat and it's the Bulldozer. It features lights and sounds. Real working tracks. It has this tool in the back, a fork, and the front scoop. You can also fit a figurine in the cabin. This time it's George again, and he's dressed up. He's a knight ready for Halloween. He's got his Halloween costume on, and he loves construction toys. Whoopee! Dragon. I wonder if I can use this as a slide. Whee! Woohoo! Yeah! There's also a dump truck included. This is also driven by Battat, and it's a really fun truck. It has a working bed. The cabin door is open. And also the engine opens up. George can go for a ride anytime. Yeah! Maybe I can go trick-or-treating with this truck. See ya! So awesome! Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to click the subscribe button for more fun videos. And also, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Bye everybody!